This here is an F80 BMW M3 competition in mineral gray metallic. We're going to show you by the end of this video how we transform this vehicle right here into a completely different looking car. So this M3 is actually going to be getting Ultrafit's retro pearl white PPF. This isn't actually a wrap. This is paint protection film. This here is going to be colored and a matte finish. Right now what's on the car is a clear gloss paint protection film. So what's the difference between a wrap and PPF? Clear obvious difference is that a wrap just changes the color, while a PPF, it's much thicker, has self-healing properties, and ultimately protects the paint underneath it. Let's say you actually were on the road and got a rock chip, or someone sideswiped you and traded paint. With PPF, you can just peel off the film and it would ultimately save your paint underneath. It's a 90% chance it does protect it, depending on how severe the damage is. So pretty much, PPF is the best investment you can make on your vehicle. As I said earlier, this car actually has PPF. We will need to remove the PPF before we even install the new PPF. So the reason why we have to take the existing PPF off is that we want a clean surface to lay on the new PPF. Right now, this car has already been prepped and washed. We have the door handles off, we have the trim off, we got the emblems off, and there was a lip on it. We took that all off so that way we can get this car as factory finished as possible. Before we even lay this PPF, we actually have to put it through this machine right here. This machine actually cuts out the body panels so that way our installers can fit it onto the car and make it look as seamless as possible. Let's talk about the vehicle real quick. We actually have HRE 305s on this car right now. Carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber lip that we took off for the PPF, carbon fiber side skirts, and carbon fiber diffuser back there. And the other cool part is that this monster truck fitment isn't forever. We actually have an airlift system on this vehicle as well. I want to tell you guys the main goal of this project right here. We want to make this look as factory finished as possible, as if it just rolled out the factory with this color. Trust me when I say this, you guys are going to want to stick around to see the finished product of this vehicle right here. So with that, we're actually going to start installing it right now. All right, so Teen is actually in the shop right now. We're gonna talk to him about why he chose this car, why he chose this color specifically.
Everyone knows that I only buy white cars. As you can see, I probably had 20 white cars. S2000, NSX, Silverado, M3s, all of that. And this is the longest I've had this BMW with this gray color. Obviously, what am I doing to it right now? It's under the knife, as you can see. Stuff's taken apart, everything's prepped, ready to go. Ultrafit Retro Matte White. I'm excited for this one. I miss having a white car. This is actually my second F80 M3. I blew up my first one, and that was white. So a little process on this. Everything is going white, even the wheels. Yes, I'm ruining my HRE wheels, powder coating them, white. Going my calipers are gonna be white. This whole thing is white. The roof box is gonna be white. Everything's gonna be white.
So we actually made a lot more progress off camera. As you saw, we got the hood all finished. So this is what we actually have done so far. So the hood is all set. We obviously have the fenders all set, the front bumper is all set. Right now we're working on this rear quarter panel right now. As you can see, we are still working on the side skirts. We will be touching the trunk soon. As you can see, we also have the wheels sent out to get powder coated white. From mineral gray metallic to Ultrafit retro pearl white, this entire car has been transformed by us. See, we also have the cargo box on top, and this is also Ultrafit retro pearl white. So we also have Windcrest Evo on here. The color is from the tint that we have on it right now, and we can't forget the HRE 305s, which is now white. So truly, this team has knocked out this project out of the park. It is really tasteful and it looks really nice on the road. Originally, we did have the yellow tint on here, but we took it off because we really couldn't see much at nighttime. We also have these custom grill lights, which our buddies at St. Nordic have installed. So yeah, so it's really hard to see in the daytime but you can kind of see it flashing a little bit. This is really cool. At nighttime, this looks really cool. So we're gonna do a quick walk around the vehicle. We have carbon fiber, and even more carbon fiber in the back with the diffuser and the spoiler. We're also running AWE tuning exhaust, and this car is tuned on E85, making 550 wheel horsepower. Overall, this car is such a tasteful build, and I am grateful to see this every day at work. Right now, the car is aired up right now. It is on air suspension. I will lower it eventually for the B-rolls. So if you're wanting to get your car transformed, please feel free to reach out to us at tintprosmobile.com. We have 3 locations. We have 2 in Minnesota and 1 in Washington State. Guys, I want to tell you that we are a one-stop shop. We are a true one-stop shop. We do everything from PPF, wrap, tint services, auto detailing, and ceramic coating. We also have commercial wrapping services and tinting services. So that concludes this project right now. Who knows, maybe TN might change the look again and we will see this car make an appearance on this channel. So let us know in the comments what you guys think about this. Personally, I love the white on white, and we'll see you guys at the next project.